Studs in the middle. Stud, stud, stud. Rest are bolts. Changing the valve cover gaskets again on this piece of junk. This thing is freaking baked, just like the person who drives it. And it's not me. I mean, baked. Everything on it, baked. Not a good thing. I should be using like power tools. Why do I always screw this up? LS engine with your coil packs over your valve covers. You just take all the studs out, and you can take them all out in the assembly. This thing's Felpro, pile of crap. These things, these valve cover gaskets leak like crazy. Don't buy Felpro, they're garbage. Made in China, and they seriously were. They were made in China. Oh, look at all the corrosion in there. How'd that happen? That's pretty strange. That's actually very strange. This thing has corroded worse in this climate than it has in its previous climate. Alright, a lot of oil leaking out. I think even over there too. Wow. 5.3 2006. We always ran Mobile 1 in here. 190,000 miles on it. Still looks fairly clean. A little dirtier than last time I had them off, but still fairly clean. Yeah, change your oil. Yeah, these are much cleaner than last time, like by a lot. It's starting to get a little oil bake. Oh well, that's what it is. Still better than most. Better review. Not bad. There's always trash falls in because things are so funky. I rinsed it off. It would have been worse if I didn't rinse it off. It's not bad. The old gasket just falls right off because it's a pile of junk. Felpro, made in China, and things shrink. They're garbage. Those are more like OEM, these male ones. Alright, our male gaskets are a lot thicker, higher quality than those Felpro piece of junks we have, for real. Much better quality. Let's go throw it back on. Alright, why working on cars sucks. So I'm changing the valve covers now, gaskets. So I reach back here, I wiggle a hose, getting off this, boom! The cheap plastic BS cracks right off, which is the second time it's happened because of the endless heat here. So now we got a coolant mess. Gotta get that off. Luckily I have the part. What a mess. This never ends, man. The heat. And they make vehicles even more worse. What's the thing size is that? 5/8 or 3/4? I totally forget. Gotta use a bear to get off to. Yeah. Finally got that piece of crap black plastic thing off. I broke on this about 3 times already. Yeah. What a nightmare. Let's get the other one off now because that one's gonna pop too. Yeah, I need like metal ones this size. This is slightly difficult to get off, but I just love the domino effect. But that broke for a reason. But let's get this one off now and change both of them because they're both gonna fail. Plastic radiator fittings on your GMT 800 on the heater core. I was probably the first person to go show how those things are even break and everything else. This one probably broke the most. Some people say though you can just hook the hose right up to it. And oh my god, you can. Should we just do that? I don't know, I'm tempted. Should we just do that and get rid of those things? They say it fits. Yeah, it kind of does. You know what? We have our last pair of plastic ones. So we're going to risk it. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. That was the other one. That was that one. Let me get the end out of that. Yeah, we probably should just do that. But for right now, I'm just going to cram those things on. They do fit though. Everyone said, just don't get rid of those freaking things. Put them right to the thing. And it's absolutely true. But I'm going to be an idiot. Last run because I have them. I put the garbage fail part on. It lasts about 100,000 miles. Let's get almost 200 on it now. They drive too much. I never had one that's turned to like mush like this. It's literally mush. I don't even know how this is possible. It's like falling apart inside. It's so hard to get out. Okay, valve cover number 2 after the big hose disaster. Yeah, pretty clean. Pretty clean. The other, it still runs. I checked that side already. Unfortunately, because we broke a grommet, now I have to, yeah. I'll leave one of those ones in. There's one in good shape, and then get new ones later. Smudgy, I just ripped this one off in record time, and like, brake cleaned it, blew it out. We got a little trash in there, not too bad. So I'll pick that out, slap this thing back on, and bam, we got really delayed with the coolant bullshit. Almost done. I'm gonna dump the oil and get it the hell out of here and bring it to the junkyard. Mobile 1 after 190,000 miles. Over 190,000 miles. Look, clean. No sludge. Wow. Synthetic oil. There's a difference. Change your oil, people. It's probably gonna blow up anyway though, because they like to crash into everything, but clean. Very clean. I started at 4 and now it's 7, so it took way too much time because of that bullshit. And the cleanup time is going to be another hour. What a nightmare. Man, it's such a big mess now with it. Looks like everything's all hooked up. Yeah. Now we got to give her a rinse. And there's like major other things to do. Front crank seal, piston oil, other things, piston oil, but it's gonna make Blackie filthy again. Oh, get this fucking thing out of here. Put all this bullshit back. I forgot my keys.